Indiana University Kokomo's Chancellor, Susan Sciame-Giesecke, sits in the red chair within the IU Kokomo Art Gallery. An art gallery exhibition is visible in the background as the Chancellor begins to speak.
I'm Dr. Susan Sciame-Giesecke, and I am the 7th Chancellor at Indiana University Kokomo, and I am so honored to have this role. I've been at Indiana University Kokomo my whole career. I started as a very young professor, and today I get to lead this institution, and that to me is just a remarkable honor. Probably if I had to talk about anything about Indiana University Kokomo, I'd want to talk about our students and their stories. When I was in New York City, the faculty members that went for the students in art actually got up every morning and made breakfast for the students in their hotel room. They were cooking eggs, and they had these little stoves, and I just thought, wow, here are these people. They could run down the street and get a bunch of bagels and bring them down and have everybody eat a bagel. But no, they were taking time, energy, and effort to make sure that the students had a great breakfast. And you could just see the relationships between the students and the faculty, how close they were, and how they saw each other as, colleagues, not really faculty and students. It was just so inspiring. And I know at Indiana University Kokomo that we are that private school at a public school prize. That private school where students know each other, but more importantly, that faculty care about each student and really have invested in them. I think the most surprising thing for folks really when they come to campus is that they still have this sometimes older image of us, of a commuter campus where people go because they have to go there, they don't have other choices. And so I think what people are most surprised about is when they get on campus and they talk to our students, that our students have chosen Indiana University Kokomo. And they've chosen it because it is small, because people do know your name, because faculty do care about you, faculty and staff care about you. And that's the surprising factor, right? It's when they get here that they realize what a gem we are. I'm honored and privileged to be the Chancellor of Indiana University Kokomo. Every day I get to wake up and work with wonderful people, advisors, faculty, staff, and I get to be with students who are growing and learning and trying to reach their dreams. And there is no better job than the one that I have.